Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV and I'm Miss Rachel and Mama Timmy Elijah. It's good to have you again. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome to our family. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to whenever you get update each time I upload a new video. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Alright, today I'll be doing a review on this product called Sivoderm. I've done the review before on this channel. In fact, that video had over 14,000 plus view and over 100 comments in this comment section of that video. But I'm contemplating taking it down because it has copyright claim because of the music in the background. That music has copyright claim. So I'm contemplating taking down that video just in case you check through this channel and you don't find that video anymore. Alright, I did this video to tell you how effective Sivoderm work. And so many of my subscribers who watched the video and used the product after I recommended it came back to tell me how truly it worked for them. When I do a review on this channel, I'm doing it because I want you to understand how effective that product is, how it works, and maybe how it doesn't work, what you should expect and what you shouldn't expect when using that product. So if I say product is good, it's definitely good. And if I say it isn't, then trust my judgment. Now, this Sivoderm is very, very good. It works so well on blackhead, acne, white head. If you have eczema on your body, rashes, this cream is very good. It's 80 grams in size and it works so well. You can see results within 4 to 5 days depending on how severe that skin reaction is. If it's not so severe, within 24 hours you should even see improvement immediately. Sivoderm is very good. If you're in Nigeria, you can get this product for 400 naira. As of 2 years ago, it was sold for 300 naira, but now it's sold for 400, 500 naira, depending on your seller. The ingredient section of this product says it has camphor, it has mineral oil, it has sulfur, it has salicylic acid, it has benzoic acid, it has menthol. I'm going to list everything in the description box. This product is good for acne. Remember in our cosmetic active where we talked about AHAs and BHA, that's alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid. I talked about different cosmetic active. I talked about oils, I talked about whitening powder, their solubility properties and how to dissolve. I talked about AHA and BHA. I talked about their usage rate and solubility. In that video, I talked about cosmetic active on AHA and BHA. I told you salicylic acid is very good, especially for acne prone skin. Now, that salicylic acid is one of the active ingredients in this Sivoderm cream. You can use it on your face. There was not quite long, I think this year, about a month ago or so, Edo, this Nigerian superstar, she's an actress. She came online to cry and complain about some certain reaction she had on her face after using a particular skincare product. She didn't call the brand. Now, if you have something similar to that, if you have that kind of reaction on your face that looks like a white spot all over, I'm going to display the picture on the screen here so you can see it. This Sivoderm 400 naira, it's going to do the magic. They say knowledge is power. If you are not informed, you are deformed. She must have spent heavily to fix that skin challenge, but if she had known about Sivoderm, it could have done the magic for her. So if you have something like that, or you have white patches, white spot on your back, any part of your body, you can use Sivoderm for that reaction or whatever skin challenge it is you want to treat with Sivoderm. There's a limit to what Sivoderm can do. I'm not saying because it treats skin reaction like white spot and all of that, you should go and use it for green vein, stretch mark and other things. No. Sivoderm will take care of your whitehead, your acne, your rashes, eczema, and all of that. That's what Sivoderm will do for you. All you have to do is clean your face, clean your body very well with soap and water, and then use your Sivoderm. If you're gonna use it on your face, you can use a cleanser, facial cleanser that has niacinamide in it, and then you use this cream that has salicylic acid. It's gonna work very well for you. I'm gonna also display it for you to see some of the comment I got on that video. If you also have any question, let me know in the comment section of this video. Like I said, I'm contemplating taking down that video because of the copyright claim it had. The music that played in the background has copyright claim. Okay, so that's why I'm contemplating taking it down, just in case you don't see it playing on the channel anymore. This product is very good. Like I said, if you have any skin reaction like pimples, whitehead, eczema, itchiness on your body or on your skin, then this product is what you should use. You can use it at night. If you'll be going out during the day, I don't advise you use it during the day. Use it at night because it's going to leave white cast on your skin. If you know Nixoderm, something like that, that's just how this one is. Something like that, similar to how it is when you apply it. It has menthol in it, so you can feel that hotness when you use this Sivoderm. It doesn't mean it will burn your skin. No, you can feel hotness in it. It's normal. Okay, it works very well. If you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting our channel. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.